Hello, hello. Live stream number 51. Alrighty. So I finally figured out how to put the account details on there. So this should be a fun stream here. Let's see. Okay. All right. And it looks like the dollar is finally going to drop through this level here. Finally. I had to move everything around, so Gotland Trading, how's it going? Umar Riaz. Hello, hello. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. All right, so I just want to say the most important thing when it comes to these challenges is to follow your plan even more than you already would. Should already be following your trading plan anyway, but you have to keep the mistakes to a minimum. Yeah, definitely have to make as few mistakes as possible. That is the name of the game. Let's go ahead and check the news really quick. Okay. So we have a GBP holiday and a French holiday. Let's see what these are. Victory Day, maybe that's like a Independence Day type of thing. UK banks will be closed in observance of the coronation of King Charles III. Alrighty. King Charles. No, definitely do not short. Do not short that. Definitely do not short that. If anything, you would go long, but I wouldn't do anything right now. Remember, the open is at midnight. We got about 22 minutes before the open, so I wouldn't recommend taking any trades at all until that. So I'm gonna look around here, just see what we have going on, see if we can find some potential trades for later. Definitely going for quality over quantity. 100%. Trying to stay as close to a 100% win rate as possible. Okay. I might get a move up here on the EGBP. That looks pretty likely. Keep an eye on that one. Like I said, I think the dollar is finally going to break through this level here. And if it does, then it should just continue down. It'll probably come crashing down. I don't think the French holiday and the UK holiday is going to affect much, honestly. It might, though. Odd NZD. Yeah, I might end up. Probably end up going long on the Euro USD. That's what it's looking like. Or possibly short on the UCAD. One of those two. It's probably the likely outcome. Be sure to hit that like button if you guys are enjoying the channel, enjoying the streams, enjoying the videos. I put out a video earlier today kind of announcing this whole thing that I'm doing here. I've done these before in the past, but I'm so much of a better trader now that it's going to be way better this time around. Yeah, hopefully that dollar does come crashing down. That'll make this really easy today. Yeah, following the rules, super strict, actually makes it easier. You're not going to be taking as many trades. I'll take way less trades than I normally would. So the stress level will be lower than usual. All right. Yep, like I said, I'm just gonna bank on the dollar index coming down, which it looks like it will. This is not a half bad EMA pullback here. Yeah, this should definitely be on the way up. For sure. Like I said, the dollar's right at that level. I don't know if it's going to come crashing through it. Definitely have to wait until the open before I can make a decision on that. But I think I could get away with taking this trade here. I'm just not. Like I said, I'm not going to take any trades before the open. If it goes through, that's fine. It's a little hot in here. I actually got to turn the AC on. First, I got to close this thing. I'll be right back. Pretty crazy. I can turn my AC to 86 and it still comes on. Alrighty. Got 15 minutes before the open. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. I had a fantastic weekend myself. Had a really good time. Alrighty. Yeah, still got a little bit of time before the open. So I'm just kind of chilling for now. But yeah, the trades I have on my list: EGBP long. Oops. EGBP long. Probably. Dollar index, I believe, breaks through this level finally. Still not trading the cross pairs except for the odd NZD and the Euro GBP. I do trade those. This one I'm probably not going to touch today. Not liking the hourly chart on that one. Oh, 28 degrees? Where's Gotland? Not Scotland. That's something else. That's not the same thing. Wow, it's 28 degrees in May? Yeah, that's pretty intense. It's what is it here? Let's see. I know it's about 90 degrees in this house here. But outside is like 70. Okay, Sweden. Gotland, Sweden. Yeah, okay. Wow, that's really cold. Is it snowing too? Yeah, it's pretty hot where I live, honestly. Usually. It's been a little bit colder this year though. See, they say the climate has changed. Let's see. There we go. Try to fit my whole self into this little camera here. Alrighty. Well, hopefully it warms up soon for you guys over there. Here's the playlist, by the way. I'll try something different today. I didn't even realize it was King Charles's coronation. So I don't know. I just knew, I guess. I just knew some royal stuff going on. Okay, got 10 minutes before the open. Check out the yens really quick too. Oh, also, this is my first time using MT5 instead of MT4. So far, it's been good. I haven't taken any trades yet, but it looks a little bit nicer. Looks a little bit cleaner. Still looks like it belongs in maybe not 1995, but like 2001, 2002. That's the vibes I get from MT4 and MT5. Very old school looking. Yep, looks like that dollar is coming down. Alrighty. So it's gonna push all of these up. Alrighty. And like I said, the EGBP should be going up, so that's gonna push the euro up even more. I'm not sure what to do with this here. Odd NCD, it'll probably go up too, but I don't think for very long. So I would definitely go, probably end up going long on the EU or short on the UCAD, like I was saying earlier. One of those two. Just have to wait until the open, so I got 8 more minutes before that happens. Okay, just gotta grab one more thing. I'll be right back. Yeah, MT4 or sorry, MT5 has more time frames. Yeah, it seems to have like more features overall. And like I said, I broke my Mac computer version of MT4 and MT5. It just doesn't work. The terminal's not there. I've tried fixing it multiple times. I just can't get it to go back to normal. So I have to use the web version instead, which is even worse really than the application version. And it doesn't save any of my settings, and it's just pretty bad overall. But you know, so I don't know how I'm gonna fix it. I think I need to get a new computer anyway. So it's about time for that anyway. I've had this one for a couple years now. So it's probably time for a new one. Also, I did I did end up doing that partnership with DarwinX. So look out for some videos on that. We had a little meeting over the weekend. So it looks pretty cool so far. I'm gonna try to get a discount for everyone, including me. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I probably could have took this trade here. It's all good. Another thing that you have to be able to do, let trades go past you every once in a while if they're not optimal trades. You just gotta let it run. It's okay. There will be more. Okay, UCHF is dropping pretty heavy too. So we'll look for some pullbacks here. Right. Rank pairs are dropping. Okay, there's definitely things to trade today. I see at least 3 or 4 pairs that can trade. So that's good. Yes, maybe a new computer after I withdraw from this account. Yeah, that's a good idea. I was looking at those I think it's called Mac Studio. I have a old school Mac Pro right now. The new one is kind of up there in price, like way up there in price. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna spend that much. I don't know if I want to spend like 10 grand on a computer. I think that might be a little excessive. Yeah, so I'm looking at that Mac Studio. I think that should be good enough for what I do. Producing videos, trading takes like no CPU power or whatever. But yeah, making the videos actually is kind of resource intensive, I guess. Okay, we got an hour and a half for the open. I am expecting a little bit of shakiness. Okay, got 30 seconds for the open. Hector, how's it going? Yeah. I originally configured this computer. This is a pretty good one that I have now. I think it has like 64 gigs of RAM. Okay, here's the open right here. So let's see what we get here. I'm expecting some choppiness for sure. I might be able to take something here. If this pulls back, or here. Not loving this one as much though. Yeah, I just want like a good overall computer. Good CPU, good graphics, good RAM, good everything so I can make these videos even better. Stuff like that. Okay. Yeah, it looks like the dollar continues down. It just has to break through this level. It's a pretty powerful level. So I need to see that first before I get into anything. Gotta be extra careful on this challenge. There's really no need to rush. Want to get it done within the 2 weeks. I mean, you have to meet that 10-day minimum requirement anyway. So there's really no point in rushing because you're gonna have to trade at least 10 days anyway, or 7 days, because you can take blank trades over the weekend, so you can drop it down to like 7 days. Oh yeah, man. I'm doing great, man. I got your emails, by the way. I just haven't been. I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off. I have not been able to answer a long line of emails, but I think tomorrow I'm gonna have a little bit of time. Yeah, I'll have time tomorrow evening to get into that. I quit drinking apple juice again, so I think that's why I'm feeling so good here. Okay. All right, like I expected, the dollar should come up a little bit. I don't think it's gonna go all the way up from here, although it is possible. I very highly doubt that. Very highly doubt that. Kind of sort of want to go long here, but it's not the best move either. Okay. I don't see anything I want to commit to yet. I want to see this break through this level. That's gonna open up a lot of trades. Okay, this is going up pretty heavy. EGBP going up pretty heavy. No surprise there. I might be able to sneak in a long trade here. Go ahead and get that ready. Start window. Okay. Nice deep pullback. That's what I like to see. Okay, so now I'm looking for a green bar on the 3-minute chart. That'll be the signal. Possibly get in. Yeah, even though the EGBP is going up, as long as the dollar continues going down, then this will be a really good trade here. I might actually get into it now. Definitely thinking about it. Or yeah, I think I will actually. Definitely thinking about it. Not 100% sure yet. Yeah. I think I do it. I think so. Okay, yeah, I think I do it. Yep, yeah, I'm gonna do it. All right, first trade is in. Okay. See, is that showing up right on the thing? Yeah, you can see it. Okay. Cool. Now, it's possible that was too early. See, was that too early? Maybe should have went with the buy stop instead. But I'll let it run. Let me go ahead and chart this on here. So, see, it looks like a at least pretty decent trade. Maybe not the best trade ever. Alrighty. Definitely could have went with the buy stop, make it a little bit safer, but I think it should be okay. Yeah, EGBP, I'm not 100% on this one yet, but it's getting there. If it pulls back down here and then, you know, puts in like a double bottom on the hourly chart, then I'll consider getting into that. Right now, I'm not really seeing anything. So So far, this is the only like decent trade that I saw. I would also like a pullback on that UCHF. That'd be a pretty decent trade too, if it actually pulls back. And there's a possible nice pullback on the EGBP. I just wanted to go down a little bit more. Right, it's looking pretty good so far. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna see any other trades probably until like maybe 12:30, 12:45. And there might be something else that pops up. Unless that EGBP pulls back any further, I might get into that too. So I'm only using $100 risk on this account here. So 0.2% risk. And a compounding strategy. So you can keep the risk nice and low. You don't have to. I mean, it's really impossible to like mess it up as long as you're doing things the right way. You'd have to be being pretty reckless to bust the account using such a small risk. Yeah, the EGBP is pulling back, but it might just be coming down, really. It's right at that 21 EMA on the hourly chart. So I don't think I'm gonna... You normally could go long here and get a quick little EMA pullback, but it might just be coming down. So I'm not gonna do that. Hopefully it does go down because that'll push my GBP trade up. I'm kind of banking on that happening. Take a look at the dollar. Yeah, it's right at that level. So I'm hoping it breaks through. If not, I'll lose the trade. Alrighty. I think this is the calm before the storm here. I have a feeling either that dollar is gonna come crashing down or it's gonna spike back up. It's gonna do one or the other. It's going for $300 on this trade here. Doesn't have much further to go. They got 10 pips to go. So this should be a pretty easy trade here. As long as that dollar doesn't start flipping around crazy. I was about to say some curse words there. Almost. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Oh, baby. 8 pips to go. Yeah, I think the EGBP is just going to come down. I don't think it's going to pull back. Yeah, so whoever that was that left that comment talking about I'm scared to show my account and all this other stuff. How about what you got to say now? Huh?
He's scared to show his account. He's not a real trader.
People crack me up. Some of the comments I get is really funny. Ready. MKKM, how's it going? So why does my balance say 49,996? Does it automatically take the commission out when you open the trade? Is that how it works? I didn't realize it did that. Let's see. It doesn't show what the commission even is on here. MT5 is a little different. Yeah, I mean, that must be it. This is the first trade that I've taken So, all right. Alrighty. Make sure to hit that like button if you're enjoying the channel, the streams, the vidjas. Helps out the channel a lot. Okay. I'm hoping that this continues to just go down. It might put in a double top here. But as long as this is coming down, it's going to push my trade up faster. So hopefully that ends up happening. And hopefully the dollar actually breaks through. Maybe not. Yeah. Well, like I said, this is the first trade that I've taken. So it has to be some type of commission or something that they took out. Oh damn, is the is the dollar gonna reverse? Ah, so close. All right, so if it does reverse, I'll end up losing this trade. That's fine. No, I wouldn't put a break even here. Yeah, it might come like back down to here and then go back up. Yeah, and it's only one. I only risked $100, so I mean, if it fails, it fails. It's fine. It's not a big deal. So this is going up, pushing my trade down. But I don't think it's gonna go up for much longer. Might be the double top here. And that'll push my trade back up. Hopefully. But if I lose the trade, I wouldn't be too surprised. Like I said, that dollar breaking through that level is gonna be... I don't know if it's gonna happen right now. See if I survive this trade here. This will be where it fails or goes through. If it goes back up from here, the chance of it going through is like 90%, or it's just gonna fail. So one of those two things is gonna happen pretty much on this bar. So within the next 5 minutes, I'll know whether I won or lost this trade. Okay. Here's the deciding moment. Oh. Oh, might have got saved. Oh, wow. Okay, maybe I did. Wow. I can't believe I'm still in this trade. Okay. All right, it finally failed. All right, so that means, let's see. Dollar continues up. Doesn't look like it. Didn't break through though. All right, CBD time. All right, so I'm assuming we're just gonna get a pullback here. Cool Kev, how's it going? Yeah, I do have a course actually. Pretty good one too. You can find it on www.ccxcollective.com, aka the Currency Collective. Yeah, I could have went long here to see what that would have been like. Three and 6. Okay. I didn't take this trade, but I'll see if it ends up working. Probably. I maybe should have took that one too. I accept Stripe on the website, but if you want to pay with PayPal, you can. Just send me an email and I'll link it to you. Okay. Yeah, this one, EGBP is kind of not in the best place right now. Kind of iffy. Like I said, I don't think the dollar is just gonna fully reverse right now. I think it's gonna go up for a little bit and then come back down. So I should still be able to get another trade, at least to make up for the loss I just had. Might even go short over here. Yeah, no problem, man. And yeah, for anybody that gets course version 2.0, gets a free version 2.5 as well. So keep that in mind. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoy the stream, enjoy the channel. Not gonna lie, I'm a little salty that I lost the first trade. That's not a good way to start. But you know, it happens. Actually might get a chance to get back into it. Yeah, like I said, I don't think this dollar is just gonna go up from here. I very highly doubt that. Okay. Okay, so I'll stay on until probably like 1:30 at the latest. I'm gonna look for at least one more trade. I would like one more. Don't see anything yet. This is looking more like a double top. It's definitely not tradable at the moment. Just waiting on that dollar to possibly reverse back down. I am kind of tempted to go short here a little bit. I think it's too early though. Odd NZD, nothing. UCHF, nothing. Okay. Probably gonna go short here too. Maybe I do go short here. Maybe I do. Okay, I'll give it a little bit of time. Yeah, I'll wait for like one more bar on that one. Okay. What I can do here is use a buy stop. Gotta catch it. Seven 21. Okay, I think I do get in this one actually. Uh, I give it a little bit of time. You said JPY might go down. Yeah, the yens aren't looking too fantastic right now. I don't think I'm gonna trade those today. I look for very specific patterns on the yens. You get those really big heavy pullbacks, that's when I'll take it. Okay, am I gonna do it? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay. Okay, so it's my second attempt on this one here. Seven. Okay. So if this one fails, that'll be it for this pair at least. My 2 attempts rule. If you lose 2 attempts on a trade or on a pair rather, and just leave it alone after that. Again, I could have definitely went with the buy stop order instead. A little bit safer, but only thing I don't like about the stop orders is the stop loss is bigger. You use those kind of orders, so double stop here. Okay. So as long as it's not a compound trade, you can get away with double or even triple stop, which might have to bring it under here. But hopefully I won't have to bring it all the way down there. But yeah, compound trades, obviously you can't move the stop because you've got 2 trades or 3 trades wrapped into one. So moving the stop won't be just another 1%. It's like 7% or something. So you can only do that on the first trade in a compound cycle. Use sparingly. Situations like this. All right, quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. Okay. All right. Is this bad boy gonna make it all the way up there? Got 8 pips. It's not far away. Yeah, definitely move the top at least back to. Alright, so I move the stop back 33. Okay. Yeah, if it goes underneath here, it's probably just gonna crash down or something. We'll see if this actually ends up working out. Here we go. Okay. Ah, man. Missed that U Frank one. I was gonna go short here. Ah. I should have. It's okay. Alright. This is actually continuing up. So had I taken that, that was another trade I could have gotten. Man. Missed some pretty good trades there. Ah, man. Okay. It looks like the dollar might actually go up then. Okay. Not a good start. All right. Well, if I do end up getting a 3 here today, it'll just break even, which is fine, I guess. But prefer to profit. All right. I think before 130, I should be able to get at least one more decent trade, make up for the 2 losses. So just start at least be back at break even if I see something. I'm a little hesitant to trade these dollar pairs now. This is the only one. Yeah, whatever ends up happening on the UCAD, it's gonna have to come down at some point. But I've only got one more trade that I can actually take. So if I lose 3 in a row, I have to quit the session. So gotta be very careful with this next choice. Okay. Risky, risky. I do it. Too risky. Of course, that'll be the one that. Alrighty. If I lose this trade, I have to quit the session. But hopefully it goes through. Okay. All right, so EMA pullback to 21. Risky since the dollar is still kind of chopping around. But the pattern at least is good. Hourly chart looks good. Not too sure about this one, but looks half decent. Okay, it's got about 9 pips to go. Yeah, today was not a good day to be trading the dollar pairs. That is for sure. Yeah, I think once I do the recap video tomorrow, I'm going to have a whole different strategy as to what I should have done today. I don't think I should have touched the dollar pairs, at least not in the beginning. Should have let them kind of run for a little bit. 'Cause yeah, the chance of that dollar breaking through that level was pretty low. Yeah, this trade's a little better just because of that hour chart. This is a super heavy downtrend. CPI news. The CPI news today? Oh, you mean from last week? Sure about that. I usually don't get affected too much by the news just because I trade the London session. Most of the heavy news is in the New York session. Thank goodness. I'm not a big fan of trading the news anyway. And then FTMO doesn't let you trade certain news events. You can actually lose your account that way. Even during the challenge. Yeah, this is a little bit risky. Yeah, actually all 3 of these trades I've taken today have been a little bit on the risky side. Could have definitely waited for some better ones. This is probably the best out of the 3. But even this one is not super fantastic either. I should have just did that EGBP EMA pullback. That was the best trade so far today. And that Frank if it actually went already. You know it hasn't. Probably will. Let's see, am I gonna lose this? Hopefully not. Yeah, it's possible. Ah, yeah, it looks like I'll lose this one. Damn. Yeah, I should have stayed away from the dollar pairs today. That was my own fault. Oh, CPI news is on Wednesday. That shouldn't affect today too much. Only thing I can think of it is a GBP in France holiday. Didn't really cost too much. I mean, maybe that's why it's a little bit slower today. But regardless, I should have just not taken trades on the dollar pairs. I should have just traded the EGBP instead, which I knew to go long on. That would have been a nice 3 right there, and I could have just quit the session. That would have been it. The dollar stalled out. It's not gonna make for very good trades. But when the dollar's moving, it makes for super good, easy trades. Ah, that is too bad. All right. Well, that was my 3 in a row. Okay. Well, that is one of the trading plan rules. Lose 3 in a row. You got to pack it up. So overall, not a great start for this challenge here. Or I'm gonna have to work on getting back to break even tomorrow, and then we'll go from there. So look for the recap video in the morning. I have a fresh set of eyes after I've went to sleep and everything. Come back on here, take a look at how everything happened, and almost guarantee that this especially is going to come down. I'm just not sure when exactly. And the EGBP will probably come down too. Probably put in a little double top here, and then continue down. This should finally go up. Yeah, see the dollar, it should break through here, but I don't know if it's going to. I really can't mess with the dollar pairs anymore until it either goes up or breaks through that level. So I'll follow my own rules that I set for myself. So I'll end the stream there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Not the best performance, but we're gonna make up for that tomorrow. And look out for that recap video in the morning, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.